In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to send BTC or Bitcoin inside of Robinhood. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up your smartphone device like you usually would. Then from here, you'll need to open up Robinhood. Once you get inside of Robinhood, it should look something like this, where you'll be able to scroll down and then find BTC, Bitcoin, or any other cryptocurrencies that you want to send to one of your friends or a client or any other people. From here, you'll just need to scroll down under your balance and then see send right here. Once you get inside of here, you'll need to add in your wallet address that you want to send the Bitcoin to. And once you click next or continue, then from here, you'll select how much Bitcoin you want to send. Once you do that, you'll get an overview of everything and how much fuel it will actually take, or the fees. From here, you'll just need to swipe and send the Bitcoin. And then from here, in a couple of hours, the Bitcoin will be sent to that specific address. But that's how I do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!